The power of a structured morning.
Many successful tech professionals start their day with intentional routines. Common habits include reviewing goals, planning top tasks, and dedicating time to learning. This sets a clear agenda and primes their focus. Incorporating simple activities like exercise or meditation helps to boost energy and mental clarity, laying a solid foundation for a productive day.
Time blocking for deep work.
Top developers often use time blocking to protect hours for deep, focused work. By scheduling specific blocks for coding, problem solving, and creative thinking, they minimize distractions. This approach enables them to tackle complex projects without interruptions, while also reserving periods for meetings, emails, and collaborative work.
Continuous learning and skill building.
Successful tech professionals understand the importance of staying current. They allocate time daily or weekly for learning, whether by reading articles, taking online courses, or experimenting with new tools and frameworks. This commitment to growth helps keep their skills sharp and prepares them for new challenges in a fast-changing industry.
Effective communication and collaboration.
Many tech leaders prioritize regular check-ins with teammates and clear communication. Whether through stand-up meetings, code reviews, or quick status updates, these interactions foster teamwork and prevent misunderstandings. By making collaboration a daily habit, they create a supportive environment that encourages innovation and problem-solving.
Balancing work and well-being.
Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is a key routine among top tech professionals. They schedule breaks, set boundaries around after-hours work, and make time for hobbies or exercise. This balance prevents burnout and keeps them motivated, helping them sustain high productivity and creativity over the long term.